I don't like it. I don't like it. Now I have to think about this, how I will attach this tabletop to this frame. Obviously I can't use just screws because of this wood movement. I could buy something like a jet shape metal parts, aluminium parts, but actually I can't because for some reason they won't deliver to Switzerland. I have no idea why. I tried many places, Amazon, there's lots of options, but no, we can't. So I have to think about something else. I will make these lots using this one. Then I have to custom made these jet shape pieces. I just mark few places here where I can make these lots. Obviously this end I can't because of this extra thing. So I have to think about something here. But here I will make few slots. I will adjust this a little bit and I will do this again, that it's a little bit thicker this slot. I think I'm going to use this nice piece of hardwood to make these small pieces that I can attach this top. This doesn't have to be jet shape now when I'm using this wood. L shape kind of is enough, so it's a little bit more simple to do. This top, it's pretty straight. It's been like that now weeks and I'm happy that it's not bent. I want to put something here that it will kind of stay this way too. I couldn't find the right ones from our local shop. Obviously I could order something, but those were crazy expensive. I found these. This is very strong. It's quite thick, so I can't sink this all the way, otherwise this is getting too thin in some parts. But it doesn't matter, you can't really see these, and these are anyway kind of hiding inside the frame. I will just do some slots with my router and I'm going to sink this a little bit, maybe 1 centimeter maximum. This wood movement, I think it's pretty slow operation, but it's pretty strong. It doesn't matter if this is tight. If this wood wants to move, it will move. And that's the idea here, that it can move. For this end of this table, I have something like this. This is also aluminium. This is not as strong as these other ones are, but it is pretty strong stuff. This I have to sink all the way to this table that it's flush with the surface because of this extra feature in this end of this table. This is now the extra board which I can pull out under this table top, that I can put some spices here or something else. I need here a small lip, that if there is stuff, that it's not going to fall out so easily. It doesn't have to be very deep. 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter is enough. And I'm going to do it with my router. And I made a template here. Hopefully these edges I can do pretty nicely with this template. A little bit of sanding and I think it will be fine. Hartwax öl. I will try with this one. I will first start with this frame and look how it is. I never used this before. Made in Germany. That's actually without any color, so it's a natural look. That's quite thick. I did this now with the 60 paper and 120 paper. It is already pretty smooth. Then I made it wet and now I will wait that it will dry. It should be pretty fast, it's quite warm here, and then this wood grain is getting up again. Then I will do it with 120 paper and 240 paper. That's the frame now. I think it looks pretty good. This too. That's totally fine. I sanded this so it's a little bit smoother, and this clip, it's way enough. Next I will carry this top on the top of this, and I will add this Hartwax oil to the bottom side of this top, and then I will let it dry. Then I will turn it around and I will add Hartwax oil also to the top side. looks very tasty. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I know this project takes too long. So I'm sorry about that. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's a little bit too yellow for my taste. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it was much better without this oil. I didn't do this top part yet. First I tried this one, and that's without any color. For some reason it looks yellow, and I don't like it. So I will try this one. It's white. Obviously it's not going to be white, it's not a paint. It will kind of keep it more natural. I already tried it with this one. That was also pretty yellow, and I did this white hard wax oil here. In my eyes it looks a little bit better. So I think this top part I will go straight with this white hard wax oil. Next video, it's going to be the last video about this table. I will connect all this electric stuff here, and then it's oiled all the way. That's going to be the last about this table project. And I already have a next project, which I also started a year ago in the last summer. My car audio upgrade. It's been very good. I really like the subwoofer what I installed. This radio, Apple CarPlay, works perfectly. Next step in this car audio project is rear speakers. These I already have, these I already bought. And after that, yeah, of course I have to make some kind of adapters for those rear speakers, and I have to take off this door panel. And next one, front speakers. These I don't have yet, I have to buy those. But yeah, next video, it's going to be the last one about this table. I'm certain it's going to look pretty good.